We've lived here for 20 years and we love our lagoon view, and we wanted to be sure that when the bird strike material was put up that we would still have our beautiful view. And as you can see, we have that view and it's great. We're really happy with the way it turned out, and we have very few bird strikes now.
Hi, I'm Cherry Underwood, and I'd like to talk about why we decided to put in these parachute cord bird savers. We feed a lot of birds, and a couple of years ago I had a beautiful ruby-throated hummingbird hit the window, and fortunately I was right here and was able to pick it up, and it revived. But we feel that it's important for us to protect all the birds that we bring in. So we decided on these parachute cords for a couple of reasons. One, they're very easy to put up. And in fact, when we have people over looking at birds, they're very easy to take down and then put back up again. And as far as being able to see out, it doesn't hamper our vision whatsoever. After a while, you really get used to not even seeing it. And so it's a very inexpensive system to put up. And so we think that's important to protect the birds that we bring in into our backyards.